Welcome back, everyone. So today is a 15-minute beginner level workout. We're going to be going through different strength and balance exercises. You don't need any weights today, but if you want to, you can grab some 1-pound weights. If you want to get a little bit more out of the workout, have a chair handy in case you want to use it for some of the balance exercises, just for safety. And the music is slower today, you will notice that, and that is very intentional, so you can actually feel the movements and really focus on where you're working the body. Okay, that's about it. Let's get started. Let's just start with walking, making sure the shoulders are back, chest is out, abs are tight, and we're just going to start with tapping in front. So we're going to work mostly on counts of 8 today. Last one here, going out to the side. So just warming up, but we're not really focusing on cardio today. We are just focusing on strengthening our bodies. Here we're going back. And 4 more. Coming forward and pressing. Last one, going out to the side, bringing the arms up. 4 more. And pressing those arms back. 4, 3, 2, 1, and going forward again. Going out to the side now. And back. Going into a walk. And then we are just going to work on the calves. So we're just going to go back and forth from heel to heel, just lifting the heels up. If you want, you can bring your arms up as well. Now let's bring that to the front. So just a toe raise, one side at a time. And going back to the heels. Back to the toes. And now let's bring both heels up and down. Again, heels. So working on balance here as well. So bringing your heels up as much as you can. Abs are tight here, shoulders are back. And let's come to the front. So toes are up as much as you can. This is a tough one, so do what you can here. One more. Excellent. Let's go back into that walk. We are going to go into high knees. So you do what works for you. So if you want to just bring your knee up a little bit, that's okay. We're going to work on abs a little bit here. So bringing one hand to the knee. So concentrate on flexing your abdominals here as the knee comes up. Now if this is too much for your hip flexors, for your legs, then just bring your knee up a little bit, do what you can. One more on the other side, then going wide. Last one here, going in front again. Focusing on those abdominals. Last one, going wide. Going back into a walk. I know that can be difficult for a lot of people in the hip flexors, so we'll just walk it out a little bit. Okay, here's where you might want the chair. We are going to stand still, have one foot pointing forward. We are just going to bring that leg up and down. Ready? So trying to keep this leg as straight as you can. You can have your arms out to the side if you want to intensify it. Let's do 4 more. Last one. Bringing it out to the side. 4 more. and going back. So you might need to have some more space to go back, pointing or flexing your foot and going back. Let's do 4 more. Excellent, switching to the other side. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1, out to the side. And 4 more. Last one, going back. Flexing the foot, feeling that in the glutes. And 4 more. Let's walk it out here for a minute. And then we're gonna go back and do that same thing. So remembering to try and keep the leg as straight as you can. Abs are tight, shoulders are back. If you want to intensify, bring the arms up. Ready, standing still, getting that leg straight. So straight leg, pointing the toes, having your arms up if you want, bringing the foot up. 1. And 4 more. Going out to the side. Going back, flexing that foot, feeling that in the glutes. And 4 more. Watching out for the wall, going on the other side, pointing the toes. Out to the, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1, out to the side. 3, 2, 1, flex that foot and back. Feeling that in the glutes. Two, and 1. And walking it out, giving the arms a bit of a shake. Excellent, so that's a lot harder than it looks. Many ways to make it more challenging or easier. You can always cut down the number too if you found that too difficult. Let's work the upper body. Let's bring the arms up. We're gonna keep walking here to get in some cardio. We are just twisting the arms back and forth. So 3, 2, 1, bringing the hands to the shoulders and out. And then bringing them down and up. So just to your shoulder and out. So press. Okay, so press the hands up. And 4 more. Last one, keeping the arms up here, circles. So thumbs are pointing forward right now. Switching the direction of the arms. Excellent, now pressing the hands back, the hands, palms face the back and press. Now bring the hands in, triceps. So really press and flex those triceps. So 4 more. Give those arms a bit of a shake. Now if you want to intensify it, we're gonna go through that same round for the arms. Pick up your 1 pound weights if you want to. You don't need to, your arms will still feel it. Ready? Bring the hands up and twisting. Three, 2, 1, bicep curl. Three, 2, 1, going down, pressing out. Circles. Backwards, or opposite direction of what you're doing. Pressing the hands back.
And then kick back. So hands at the shoulders, press. Really flex those triceps. One more time, arms up, twisting the arms. Going into that bicep curl. And bringing the arms down, press. Bringing the arms here, circles. Other direction. Pressing the hands back. Tricep or kickbacks. 4 more. Okay, give those arms a bit of a shake. You can put the weights down, or you can hold on to the weights. You continue with the weights if you want to. We're going into an overhead press, balancing on one foot. We are going to also do some cardio here by just bringing the other foot back and forth. Okay, that is in constant movement. This knee is bent, the supporting leg is bent, abs are tight, shoulders are back, arms are here, pressing overhead. Let's switch to the other foot. So this is a balance and a strength exercise all in one. Switching to the other side again. One more time on the other side. Okay, arms are here. If you have those weights, keep them. We are going to go forward. So we're going to tap out this time. So try and stretch those arms back as much as you can as well. Try to keep those elbows up. Don't let them be down here. Keep them up at shoulder height. Okay, staying on one leg. We are just going to tap out to one side, working on that balance again, having that knee a little bit bent on that supporting leg. Switching to the other side. Relaxing those arms. If you had dumbbells in your hand, you can put those down. Going into a bit of a squat now here. If you don't like squats, you don't have to, but you are sitting and squatting every day when you use the toilet and when you sit down. So I highly recommend doing them. Make sure you're sitting back. Knees are not going like this, okay? You're really pressing your bum back. So let's go. So just taking a foot out, just squat to whatever works for you, going to the other side. So really press back, press your hips back. This is what's going to keep you strong as you continue through life. Let's do one more on each side. Staying here and just pressing your bum back. So making sure that that bum is really far back, going up and down, and coming up. Excellent. Let's go into a plie squat, having the toes pointed wide. Think of your back going down a wall, so you're standing up, you're as straight as you can be, coming up, going down, and up. You can bring your arms up if you want. So you're not leaning forward, you're keeping your body in as straight as you can. This time we are staying down, lifting one heel up and down, other heel, down. Keep switching back and forth, getting deeper into the squat if you can, making sure that you're up as straight as you can be. Let's do one more on each side. Now press those knees back, sitting as far down as you can. And coming out of it, taking a nice deep breath in. And breathing out. Just a few more exercises. Our time is running out on the 15 minutes. Having those arms up, elbows back, really squeeze that back. Let's work on balance at the same time. Coming forward, switching to the other side, and really press those elbows back. Coming forward. So your arms just aren't sitting here, they're really pressing back. It's like your shoulder blades are trying to come together. One more on each side. Relax those arms, bringing the arms up, nice deep breath in, and breathing out. So let's do that again, nice deep breath in, and out. And that is it for today. I wanted to make a nice, short, effective workout for the whole body. I will attach some stretching videos to the end if you want to add that on. I'm trying to stay within the 15 minutes of what I promised in the beginning. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.